Hello, my name's Aaron. I'm one of the developers for the SynthPi, and I'm just going to show you a quick video on how to install the repository from GitHub and how to configure your MIDI controller to the SynthPi program. So, first of all, what we need to do is install all the necessary packages to run. All of these are available to see in the README file as well if you don't catch them on this. I realise that the glare's a bit bad on the screen, so I'm going to go and download them. And that's them there. And then we have to clone the repository, so now that's cloned, we're going to move into the folder and we're going to use CMake to make the files. So do CMake dot and then we do make dash change. This usually takes a while. Now that's made, what we do is chmod u plus x dash SynthPi. That just enables us to the permission to run it. And now that's ready to run, but what we need to do is configure the controller. So we need to see what the ID for the keyboard is. So if we do aconnect-l, you can see that we're in, the ID is client 20. So we can go ahead and edit that in the config file. So nano config.json, and you can see here that says keyboard ID is 28, so we're going to go and change that to 20, and then you can see all the mappings for the different parameters which we're going to tackle next, and we need to know how to find out which ones these are. So the one that we are going to change is the bank select ID, and it's currently mapped at number 26. So if we come out of that, save that, and we can use this command, asec dump -p, and then the ID for the keyboard, which is 20. I'm going to do :1, and you can see that's it there. So we want to map it to this one, so we'll turn that, and you can see that it says 24 there, controller 24. So we're going to Control C to come out of that, and then go into the config file. No, config.json, and we're going to go down to bank select ID, which is here, and change that to 24. And that's the same, you apply the same process to any of these. Attack, decay, sustain, release, just make a note of whichever one you're changing here and then map it to that there. These are all like the rest of them are mapped to this keyboard, so we don't need to change any of the other ones. Yes, save, and now we can run the program. And you should see the display. Yep, that's it. And now it's good to go. So we can see now if I turn this, the bank is changing, and we'll change that to bank 1. And you can hear lovely music. You can see the cut-offs changing, you can change the resonance. You can change, if we turn these off, you can change the envelope. And that's you got your SynthPi configured.